Ready?
Okay.
Hold on.
It's recording.
It is?
Mm-hmm.
Go.
Hit it hard.
Hold on.
What's
Pull
wrong
it.
with
Pull it. Pull it first.
Okay.
Now bop it.
Whatever.
My grandma's playing Bop It.
Bop it. Oh.
And she did not bop it.
Wait a minute. I'm gonna do it again.
She did not bop
Okay,
it.
I'm gonna do it again.
She twisted it. She pulled it. She shouted it. She did not pull it.
4.
She didn't pull it.
4. Hush.
Once you try it, do it.
Hush.
She did not bop it. She cannot play it. And this is my grandma playing Bop
I
It.
can do this.
She twisted it. She pulled it. Hopefully.
Yeah.
Think she beat her house score.
I said yep.
She didn't concentrate.
I'm trying. Oh, hush. My camera right there. If you don't want to do it on your phone.
This is good for the website.
Yeah.
Yup. She had her high school 10.
Double digits.
Yay.
Is that good? Is that good? Yay. I don't want to play anymore. That was pretty good.
Then don't bop it.
Don't bop it.
And this recording is over. This will be on jadeandjaden.com.
This is kind of cute. Where you get that from?